Welcome back, guys. Today I'll be bleaching the knots on my frontal. Bleaching the knots on your frontal gives the hair a more realistic look. It makes the hairline appear as if it's going from your scalp. Guys, when you're using bleaching powder, always wear gloves and be in a ventilated area. The consistency I always go with when I'm bleaching my frontals is a very thick consistency because you don't want the mixture to seep through the frontal. My apologies for my tripod flip being in the video. I didn't realize until I finished filming, but I wasn't going to let this footage go to waste. The important part of the video is there, so bear with me. I'm sorry, guys. When you're applying the mixture to the frontal, be careful, don't press down too hard on the frontal because maybe you don't want the bleach mixture to seep through on the hair. You only want to bleach the knot, so you can't press down on it too hard, so be careful. The mixture was a bit too thick, so I added some more developer. I guess you basically understand the procedure, so I'll speak for this part now. I left the frontal processing for 25 minutes and then I rinsed it with neutralizing shampoo and I conditioned the frontal.